morning, guys. I just woke up to someone from the welfare office calling me, asking for a few follow-up questions to my application and being like, yeah, looks like I got everything you need. You should be getting welfare. You should be getting some confirmation email in a while. Let's fucking go. It's not much. I don't even get the rate for welfare that other Danish people get, because you have to be able to prove that you've been in the country for the past 9 out of 10 years, and obviously I can't do that. So I'm basically gonna get a half of what other welfare recipients get, but I'm only gonna get it for 1 month, then I'm gonna start studying. And get a higher rate of money. Yeah. Hey, good morning, guys. Properly good morning. I'm out of my sleeping bag now. I just spent like an hour and 20 minutes going through a maze of just being redirected and redirected and redirected. And finally, I got talking to a guy who told me that that basically the welfare application has gone through successfully, and that I am going to get paid out some money, but that I should probably contact the tax office, which is notoriously, like, there are notorious long queues for the tax office. And so I was waiting around a little longer in order to get a hold of the proper people. An hour, 20 minutes I ended up waiting, talking to 3 different people, and listening to a whole lot of elevator music in the meantime, because my phone, whenever I'm in a phone call, it loses internet connection. Yeah, I need a new phone. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna get welfare. Let's go. And I got my tax card fixed, so I just gotta contact the welfare tomorrow and say I got my tax card fixed. Can you guys, not take as much money, not give as much money away to taxes, like give more of it to me, guys. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow, but it feels great. Not even so much because I'm in dire need of money. I am. But I am actually capable of sustaining myself picking up bottles. I'm more so concerned about helping out my beautiful friend who lets me stay here. Oh my god, I am so thankful for him not having to deal with, like, can you guys imagine me having to deal with all this official shit and applying for all this stuff while freezing my ass off in a tent, dirty and unwashed, and uh having to, like, go around with my entire backpack set up picking up cans every day, man. It would just be too brutal. I kind of needed a little bit of a base while I fix all this official shit and build my project, the electrical project for the electric unicycle. So I'm just happy everything has worked out. I think I'm gonna go to the doctor's office now, get that process started, get him to look at. Yeah, I got a few different issues, man. I'm telling you, the body decays. It's over before we know it, man. I feel like I was just like a kid, just 15, just 20, and everything was just in working order, no issues, nothing. All of a sudden, old age comes knocking at my door. At least I don't have any grays yet, and my hairline is staying in place, but other things aren't doing quite as well. Oh, someone's here. Guys, I ended up having some friends over. Red left some of these sausages for me the other day. Yeah, I had some other friends over, just they hung out recently, and yeah, so I didn't go to the doctor. I guess I'll just do that tomorrow. I don't really have any. Well, no, actually tomorrow I gotta go meet that dude I met at the station. He gave me 100. He says he'll introduce me to some people who need people like me who know how to fix batteries. Maybe I can make a bit of money there. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just making some. Well, I guess it's technically breakfast. I know this is what the weather looks like. It's basically looks like it's night. Looks like it's nighttime, but it's not. It's just the shortest day in the year. Or yeah, yesterday was. Uh, yeah, that was yesterday. Hey guys, I fell asleep. I just got woken up by my friends who were there earlier. I'm gonna deliver some bottles before it gets too late. Buy some milk and butter. Let's go. It's a good thing the guys came back and woke me up with some loud music. Otherwise I wouldn't have made it in time. Man, I'm running low on funds. I can't quite keep up with my own consumption relative to how many bottles I collect. But considering that I'm gonna be getting the money now 100%, the welfare check or whatever, I'm gonna see if I can't borrow 100 or 200 krona from a friend. Hopefully in town, but who knows, maybe I'll have to go to Copenhagen. Hopefully not though. Let's see. I just don't want to struggle for the rest of the month. Oh. Been hanging out with my friends for a while now. Both of them left. I still haven't gotten a time tomorrow for that dude that wanted to meet me at this bike repair place. Let's see. I'm not so sure what it'll turn into, if anything. But I'm open. Would be nice, making a little bit of extra money.